Again, continuing from the previous video, in this video I am going to talk about types of an operating system. So let's start. Types of operating system based on user interface. What is first thing is that what is user interface? When we are going to talk about types, then things which are coming to our mind is user interface. User interface is the way in which we interact with the computer. The way we are interacting with the computer is called interface. Like typing from the keyboard, using mouse or using your finger. All these are called way in which we interact with computer. There are two main types of user interfaces. Generally, there are two, that is called command line interface or character user interface. Keep in mind, command line interface or character user interface. Second one is graphical user interface. So I'll explain that what is command line interface and what is graphical user interface. So come up. On the basis of the interface, operating system can be two types. Let us learn more about them. Command line interface or character user interface. In earlier days, the operating systems offered command line interface, that is called CLI, also known as character user interface. You can say CUI. This means that the users had to write commands to give instructions to the computer. These commands were then interpreted by the operating system to get the desired work done. Example, MS-DOS means whenever you want to open a file, generally what we are doing nowadays, we are using mouse to click and then your file is opened. But in earlier days, these clicking facilities were not available. Therefore, user use command. They type the command open. Then your file gets opened. But nowadays we are not doing it. So whenever anything which you want to run or execute, when you are typing from the keyboard to run or to execute anything on your computer, that is called character user interface, or you can say that command line interface. And best example of this interface is MS-DOS. You just look at this image. When user is typing command to run something, then you are only going to get the output. So when you click cut, then cut is happening. But in the command line interface, you have to type CUT to cut. You have to type PASTE, paste, to paste. So this is what command line interface is. Now next one is graphical user interface. Graphical user interface is called GUI also. Here users to interact and give instructions through graphical icons and other visual elements such as menu. Everything is shown as a part of rectangular area called window. Users can easily use the picture-based graphical elements through pointing devices like mouse such as stylus or finger on a touch screen and a mouse. So whenever you want to open any file or if you want to save any file, you are just clicking by going on file and clicking on save. But in the case of command line interface, you are not doing. But in the graphical user interface, you are clicking. See this, I am hovering my mouse. So this is the best example of GUI. When I click on icon, then something gets opened. So clicking and selecting is being done with graphics image is called GUI. All modern operating systems are based on GUI. So nowadays, even you are using mobile, then you are using your finger. And if you want to open any app, you are just clicking on, you are selecting with your finger, and then it is being opened. Just look at this image. You are touching your finger, touching with your finger, and then application is opened. So graphical user interface. Some examples of GUI based operating system are Windows and Mac operating system. So here you are clicking by your finger and then it is opened. This is called GUI based interface. So update is that let us learn about GUI based Windows operating system in the next video. Till then, bye. Thanks.